No matter your photo is blurred, it has so much scratches, or your picture quality is very bad, no matter. Because in this video, I have the solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your blur photo or low quality photo into high pixelate photo in high quality photo in just one click. So watch the video till the end. Let's start.
First step, open Play Store app, click on search, and in search tab just type Remini app and just search it. Now click on first search result and simply install this app. So app is installed. Now click on open. Click on get started. Now click on generate AI photos. Click on accept all and continue. Click on continue. You can select your gender from here or you can skip it from here. Now click on allow all. Allow. To enhance the picture, just click on this enhance option and just select the photo you want to enhance. You can see the photo clarity of this photo is not so good. It's blur, it's a pixelate. Okay, so let's see will this AI will enhance it or not. Now just click on enhance. It takes few seconds. But you guys, if you're watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then do it guys. It helps me a lot to make more videos for you. Just click on skip ad, close arrow, and the picture downloaded successfully in your gallery.